Hey everybody, ThriftStoreHacker, and we're out on the town right now. We stopped by the new location for the Reno Bike Project. It's 216 East Grove Street. They've moved to a nicer facility. I'm in here today because I'm looking for a rack for the bike to hold the battery on the back. I've come across this. It's a used rack. It's bolts onto the seat post, and it's about $10 here, which is a screaming deal. But they got all kinds of stuff in here. You get some bike shoes and just different little things. They take a bunch of bikes that are given to them, they rebuild them up, and they have volunteer help, and they resell them off. And if you need to get a bike in Reno for really cheap or just rent one, you can come in here to the Reno Bike Project. And if you need your bike repaired and you don't want to go to a traditional bike shop that's going to rip you for a few $100 to get it done, the cool thing about this place is either you can give them a little bit of a donation and kind of have them work on it for you, or there's work areas where you can work on your own bike, and the volunteers here will be glad to assist you with anything that you need to do on said bike. But this is one of my favorite places for different hack stuff, and just if you need bike parts and you don't want to go out and you go out and buy something like a new set of brakes for your bike, and so you got like a cheap Walmart bike, those brakes at the bike shop are going to be $100. Generally you can swing them for under $20 here for just about any repair you need. The parts cost probably be under $20. You can walk out of here with a with a cheap bike. Like, we've got this nice beach cruiser right here, and this is only $80. It's a nice Huffy beach cruiser. I think this is one of the Walmart bikes, but just all kinds of stuff in here, and values that fit my budget. But I just wanted to show it off. I'm going to grab a couple of parts, and we're going to get back on the electric bike project.